చేయాలో చెప్పు మెయిల్ దగ్గర ఉండాలి.
Yeah, hello guys. Am I audible? Can you hear me? Yeah. I think all of you are practicing our daily classes, right? Wait a minute. Okay, sir have not shared the classes in our group, right? Okay. I will remind him today to share our previous classes, our class recordings in our group. Okay. And today, let's start our session. Okay. I think you can see my screen. The project we have done up to registration, right? Can also I have shown you to run the project by using change directory, right? You have also different way to run the project. That is, simply you can go to your project and you can open in terminal, so that your path will be here. Simply you can run the server. See, your server got executed, and let's open this. Control Shift and R. I'm refreshing my page, and I got a clear page here. About I'm clicking customer. I'm getting these two customer email and password field. It was so confusing, right? Because these credentials are already saved in my Google. That's why I'm getting these details. Okay. If not, my details, my page will be like this. I'll try to actually I have registered any customer in my okay, my DB name is medicine, and I have created contact. I have given 2 contacts. It got posted in my DB, and I will say okay, customer also registered. I gave customer@gmail.com 12345 as password. and I will try to log in with those credentials. Password is also 1345 only. Okay, it is in the same page because we have not given any logic in our views, so that's why it was not going to that login. Go to views. Okay, here I have written only 2 lines of code, but it is not. We have some more lines required to do this login operation. Before that, I have to make sure that after login, after I click on login, where it should go, where the page should be redirected. It should, after I click on login, for sure it should be a redirect to my home page, right? So we have to create a home page now. If it is there, it will be redirected. If it is not there, it will not get redirected now. So I have to create a template with home page. If we have 2, 3, 4 modules, for example, we are creating admin and customer, right? For customer, there will be a home page. For admin, there will be a home page. To not get confused, I will create my customer home page as customer home. Okay. So that I can also create admin home. If there is another module, for example, if we take another module as vendor, we can use as vendor home, so that we will not get confused. Okay. I have created a customer home page. Welcome to my page. I will keep this content in my H1 tag. I will close this H1 tag. That's it. Welcome to my page. Now I will write views for this. We are posting email and password, right? So if request dot method equal to post, equal to request dot, we have to take we have done this in our edition. Okay, here I am getting an error because we are not giving value to the request dot method. We are comparing whether it is post method or not, so we have to keep 2 equal symbols. Okay, if request dot post, I'm taking email because in my DB or in my models, here I have used my variable as email now. So you have to use here also same name. What is the name you have used in your models? The same name you have to take in your post. Okay, the same name you have to use in your template also. Okay, with customer. Okay, the same way password also should be done in the same way. Okay. Password is equal to dot post password. Now I am taking a variable and checking whether the email and password are there in my DB or not. Okay. Log. I am taking a variable called log. Whatever the variable you need, you can take it. Okay. I'm taking as log. Okay. What is my table name? Customer. Customer dot objects dot filter email equal to email, comma, password equal to password. Okay, that means you have to check your email. This email is nothing but the email which is in your database or models. Okay, this is this email, and this email is same. But the difference between these two is this is a variable which we have used here. Okay, this is a variable which we have used here, and password. This is the password. This is the password which is in our database, and this is the password which we have used in as variable. Okay, if this log is exists, that means if it is true, exists. Before that, I will create a session here. Okay, session is nothing but while we are logging in a web page or any website, that means that which is related to us, then it will create a session. In that session, whatever you do, that will be recorded by your email or anything. Whatever the field you have kept for your session, that will be running in the background. Okay, I will show you. First dot session. I am taking as email in my session. You can also use username, full name, mobile number, whatever the thing you have, you can use in your session. You can use that according to your record. But using email is much better than using any other field. Okay, I am taking this session in a variable called email. Here you can use whatever the variable you want, but I am using all the variables which are very professional. Okay, using email as my session will be somewhat professional. If you use any XYZ name here, it looks somewhat different, right? So I am using my session as email only. If my email, if that login is perfect, then it will redirect to a page called customer homepage. If my email and password is perfect, then it will go to my homepage. Okay. Request customer home.html. And here I will give a message called okay. Here I got an error because I have to use this message in my codes. Okay. Else it will be in my customer login page only. Okay. I will type it. Okay. Return request customer login.html, and here I will give a message as invalid. If my email is password is wrong, then it will go to invalid credentials. Okay, there is no need to give a message in. There is no need to pass any message in my last return render because it will trigger while clicking on this link. Okay. Okay, I have done with my login views. Okay, I will check my template. Here I have used a form tag and a method is equal to post, and I have used a token here, and I have used two fields, email and password. Okay, then, and also a button, and I have closed my tag. I think I don't need this one. I will check in my template, and I will see whether I want to remove it or not. Okay. I will go to my web page and I am refreshing once. You can also use this one. So you can also refresh by clicking on this. Okay, here by clicking on this also you can reload the page. I'm going to customer. First, I will try to give a wrong email, but let's see if message is coming on. I think we will not get any message here. Okay, I got a message because I have taken message tag here. Okay, I have taken. I thought I have not taken any message. I have not taken any message tag in my customer login, but I have not taken in customer home. Here I will give a message. I will take message tag in my customer home. Now I will try to give correct valid perfect details, valid credentials. These are the valid credentials. Okay, customer@gmail.com and customer@gmail.com and password are valid credentials. Right now, with those credentials, I will try to log in. Okay, I have logged in successfully. After login, I don't need this page. Okay, I have done with login, but the thing is, after login, I should not get a page like this. It was very odd to see. I should have at least some colorful website, right? I will take my index page as my home page and I will try to modify it. Okay. Before that, I will try to give a register link beside this login, or else I will try to give a link below this login button. Okay. Let's see how to do it. Okay. Already I have done with registration, right? URLs. Okay, customer registration is my URL. I will try to pass this URL in my customer login. Font tag only I will. Okay. Anchor tab. To pass a link, you have to use anchor tab now. Is href. URL customer register. Now let's see whether this registration is working or not. I will try to it again. Okay, I got an error as this one because it was telling that reverse for customer register not found. So I have to check if I have any spelling mistakes or any URL issues. Okay, if you got this error, you have to check your URLs and the name you have passed in your anchor tab. Okay, I have customer registration as my URLs, customer registration, but I have used as customer register. So I am getting an error. I will replace this customer register from customer register to customer registration. Now I will try to reload the page. Yeah, yeah. Here I got a register link, but it is also looking somewhat odd, right? I will try to look some more efficient. I will try to make it in some more efficient way. If you are new user, register here. Yeah. Now it was looking somewhat better. You can also use this register as a button type also. Let's try to do it button type. Okay. There is an input. Okay, here, right? Class. You can simply copy this class and you can use here. It's not working with it. Okay. Okay, I was able to do this registration here. If I click on this register, it will go to registration page. Okay. Now I will try to remove all this content. In this way, you have to modify your page. Okay. You have to modify your page according to your requirement. Okay. We'll keep it in after this input box. That means I will keep beside that login. Okay. Now see, if you want to log in, you can go to the login button. If not, you can simply go to the registration. Did you see? On clicking on register, it was going to registration page. If I want to go to that login page, what I have to do? Again, I have to go to this customer. But I want to give another option, like if here only if I want to give any login button, I can give here. Okay. The same way how you have given to your register in login page, how you gave that register button in your login page, in the same way you can also give that login button in your register page. Okay. If I click on register, it was going to register. If you try to keep a login button here. Okay. You have to practice it. Okay. Done with these registration and also login. I am also getting logged in and also I was able to get registered. Okay. Now, after login, after clicking on login, I am going to this page, but here I don't want to come out of this login page by clicking this back arrow. I want to give a button in the same way how I had like this page. Like this page only, I want to an appearance in my customer home also. For that, I will take my index page or any other page. Let's take this customer page only. But before that, here my footer is very big now. I will remove all these content and I will keep only this content in my footer. For that, I have footer in each and every page. I have not loaded these two. Okay. I have footer in every page with the same pattern, right? Because I have used a footer.html in every page. To get modified, to modify these page, if I modify in one page, it will get modified in each and every page. That's why using footer.html in simple way. Okay, to get the things easy, we are using these type of logics. Okay, example, I want to remove. I want to remove some these remaining far away these content in. I'm removing this content in my about page now. First of all, I will try to remove this in my about page, and I will try to see in other pages what is the thing happening. Okay. Okay. Here is the content now. So I will remove all this content. You have to remove the content step by step. First of all, you have to remove this head. After that, you have to go and compare whether I have removed this remedic, right? Then you have to check it whether it got disappeared or not. Okay, it went off, right? About page, it went off. In home page also it went out. In customer, like this. If you do changes in one page, it will reflect it to the all other pages because we have used that footer HTML page in each and every page. So like this, if we have not used that footer.html in a separate folder, and if we not try to use that, then we have to make changes in each and every page, right? So to avoid that things, we are using a footer.html to make our things easy. Now I will remove this line. Okay, this is already went down. Like this, you have to remove one by one. If you try to remove all the content at the same time, like this, like if you want to remove like this, then you will be missed with some divs, and some divs maybe some divs will be extra like that. You will get clumsy. Okay, your footer will get somewhat different. Okay, you can't make changes once again, so you have to check it before removing those lines. Okay, now let's leave UI. There is nothing in between these two tags, no, so I am removing it. Here also in the same way I am removing. I don't want this. Right. Like this, you have to remove one by one. Okay, you should not remove this container, and also you have some other content here, so name and all. I'll remove these also. Before that, I will check it once. Yeah, all the content went off, but here it is showing some full name, email, and all. I will remove this content also. Okay. Okay. Now I want to will also remove these buttons and all. Now I will remove only. I need only this is the script to get the year automatically. If it is 2024, right? That's why we are getting copyright at rate 2024 here because of this script. Okay, this script will show the current year. Okay, if you are in the 2025, then automatically it will goes from 2024 to 25. There is no need to go to the our footer, and there is no need to change the year from 2024 to 2025. Okay, we don't want all these content. Also, these are all icons. Okay, I have modified my footer. Okay, I got my required content here. Okay, in customer also I got the required content. Now my customer home page should be like if you want to keep your index page, you can keep, but you have to do some modifications. Okay, for that customer home, I will use this customer login only, or else I can also use this index page. Next page I have very big content. If you want to put your page very beautifully, you can use this, and also you can do some changes in your page. Okay. Okay. I have posted some content in my customer homepage. Now I will try to log in. Okay. After login, I am going to my index page because I have pasted all the content in my index page in my home page. Now, is there any requirement of about home, customer, blog, contact in my home page? There should be fields like I should have one customer home and a and profile, change password, and logout. These are the required fields in a. These are the general fields which will have in our homepage, right? So I have to do some modifications in my customer homepage also. So first of all, I have to create views and URLs for my customer home also. There is no need to write any logics in between the views. Just you have to create views for your customer homepage. That's it. There is no need to write these much logic which I have written in your customer login. Okay. Again, I am saying that there is no need to use the names which we have used to our. There is no mandatory to use the names which we have used in as templates. Okay, for your there is no need. There is no requirement to use the same names which I have used for your HTML page and views. Okay, you can also use different pages, different names. But the thing is, if you use the same names, you will not get confused. Okay. Best customer. That's it. There is no need to pass any message in my customer home. If you want, you can pass it. Okay. There is no problem. Okay. And also, I will write URLs for my customer home. Now, okay, I have written views and URLs for my customer home, right? Yeah. I'll go to this login. Now, here it went to my customer home page, right? I don't need all this content. So I have to do some modifications in my customer home page. In customer home, I have this header. That's why I am getting those that header. So I want to create a different header for my customer also. So I will create a header now. So before that, I have used a main header, right? In main header, I have used it in about, contact, and also all in all the pages up to now. I have used the main header. From now onwards, in customer, whatever the pages I am creating in my customer, I have to use the customer header. Okay. The respected module will have their own headers. Okay. I am creating customer header. This also, whatever the name you want, you can use. But to get more understanding, I am using this customer. I am using these names. Okay. By looking it, we can simply say that this is customer header and this is the main header. Okay. I am copying the main header and I am pasting it in my customer header. Now, here I have to give for home page. I will give customer home. Okay. And I don't need all these links in my customer. No, that's why I'm removing all these. Okay. Yeah. I'm removing all the content in my customer header. Now I have to pass this customer header in my customer home. Before I have the main header, I will change it into customer header. There is no need to write any views and URLs for this customer header. Now I will refresh it. Did you see? I got only this home. If I click on it, it will be okay. Sorry. Here in the 54th line, I have an error. In 54th line, I have an error. The error is that I have forgot to mention HTML. Okay, type of file. Now I'll go and I will refresh it once. And if I click on home, it will be in the same page. Okay, you have to modify according to your requirement. Okay, for example, customer home. The most I want to remove this paragraph. I want to change the most valuable thing is your health from this content to customer home. Customer home. Okay, like this. Now it looks like, okay, we have entered into the customer home. Okay, if you want, you can also make changes, like you can also remove that picture and you can give your own image. In place of this BG1, you can use another image to make difference. Okay, try to do on your own images. Okay, you can also download it from Google and you can keep these images in your static folder in images in this and give that path into your HTML so that it will get worked. Okay, and now in home page, I'm in customer home page, right? Now I want to go to my main page. I want to get out of this page. In our Facebook or anything on any social media, if we get into login, then we will try to log out, right? In the same way, in our website also, we'll create a logout view. Okay, we'll write a view for logout. There is no need to write any HTML page for this logout. Okay, simply you can write views and URLs for this logout. I am also using as customer logout only, okay, because I will have that admin logout and another module logout. That's why I am using the logout with the name of my module, okay. Request. Here I am using a different line to redirect. Return. Up to now I have used render, right? Now I will use redirect. Return, redirect. Here I have to give the URL of page to which page you have to redirect. I want to redirect to customer login page. After clicking on logout, it has to go to login page. Okay. I have to write URL for this. Start. Maybe. Okay. And I'll pass this URL in my customer header. I don't want to use any class in my live. Okay. I'm giving a name to my logout URL. Customer logout. Let's see if we trigger with any error or not. Let's see. Refresh it. Yeah, I got my logout above this one. So okay, here I want here use this class. Okay, if you use this class, then you will get let's see what is output. Okay, I am getting that logout, but I was not able to see that logout. Okay. Okay. If I use these classes only, it will be in my line and somewhat looks like some different color. Okay. Yeah. Now see, if I don't use the second class, I mean the class which have the class which is after this link, it will go. The alignment will be somewhat different. If I don't use this class, then it will I can't see that link. Okay, that is the importance of these classes. Okay, that's why I have shown you without using and with using it. Okay, now here I got my home. Once observe here in this corner, while I am hovering on my home, I am getting a link as customer home. On hovering on customer logout, I am getting a link as customer logout. Let's see if we trigger with any error or not. While I'm clicking on logout, I got an error because here I have used a new term called redirect. I have two. Before that, I have used render, right? Return render request. But now I have used a term called redirect. This was not defined in my HTML. No, that's why I have to use this. I have to import this redirect in my Python file in views file. In views Python. These are all Python files. Okay. In views, I have to import this redirect. How you will redirect me? Simply from Django shortcuts. Already we have imported that render. Now we can place a comma and you can simply use you can import like this. Okay. Now okay, I have refreshed it again. My page is running. Okay, my server is running here. Okay, home. And clicking on logout, I am getting an error called customer login. Okay, I have there is no URL with the name customer login. Okay, there is no name with URL with the name customer login. Here, the name is with customer. Okay, the name is customer, not customer login. My view is with the name customer login, but the name is customer only. So I have to use as customer only. Logout. I'm clicking on logout. Let's see, is there any trigger? Couldn't acquire log. We'll run the server manually. Okay. Page. I'll refresh it once again. Now I'll click on this logout. Okay, I went to login. If you have any errors, once try to run the server again and try to refresh Control Shift R. Use Control Shift R for refresh, and you can work with your website. Okay, I have logged in again. I'm clicking on home page. I'm in home page now. A session is running behind this website. Okay. Now I'm clicking on logout. I am coming to my login page. Simply these are login and logout. Okay. In the same way, you have to do another module with the help of this module. Already we have created a module with the customer now. You have to create a module with as doctors only. You can use your module as doctor only. Simply on clicking on doctor, you should get a doctor login like this, and you have to get two buttons, login and register. On clicking on register, you have to go to doctor registration, and you have to get the fields like this. Use some different fields which are related to doctor. Okay. For example, doctor will have specialization and also years of experience, and also you can also include their college name and all. Okay, you can simply use some fields which are related to doctor. These fields are mandatory for each and every module. Okay, for each and every module there will be a name, email, mobile, city, address, pin code, and password. Right. In the same way, doctor, if you are using the doctor module, you will have some more fields. Okay. Okay. Do you have any doubts in today's class? Yeah, I have not. Satish sir said that he will upload on this Saturday only, but here he forgot. I think he forgot to upload. Today I will ask him to upload those videos. Okay. I think you don't have any doubts in today's class, right? Okay then. Okay, that's all about today's class. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. Okay. You can simply message me. Okay. Okay then. Bye.